Whoop. Hi guys, this is your boy Martin, and today we have another project, another rebuild project of the Ryker to do, and we have only 1.5 days to do it. This is actually Robert. He came to me yesterday, and that's his Ryker, and it's 2019. Ryker brought from US, so it's US specification brought to Europe, and I can tell you guys there is some DIY project. I haven't seen such a beaten up bike yet. It's chewed, spit out, and heavily abused. I mean, so we need to fix some rattling. The seats, I don't know what we're gonna do about these, but Robert will be participating in a Grossglockner event, so he's going to the same event that you will see on my YouTube video in a couple of weeks or days, doesn't matter. Now I know why that bike is so used. And he's gonna travel with his son, and this bike is it's just, I don't know. We will put a new wrap. We will try to fix some rattling. Not sure what we can do about the seats. And we also, because Robert, he likes to drive motocross. So we will also, he has, as you can see, Elka, I believe it's stage 3. So he has put some upgrades, but we will also do the dampener. And we'll try to do something about, can you see that? Now, the bike will look differently. It's his wrap that he wanted to have, so we will apply it, and we need to do it in a chop way because time is ticking. So guys, first 500 views, no video ads, and no bullshit around, straight to the point. So, let's get started. I know what I wanted to tell you, 2019. And I don't know if you experienced the same thing in the US, but when the bikes are coming to us via the boat on the ocean, 2018, 19, even 20, a lot of rust. And have a look here. Do you see it there? Can you see it? Like that thing will fall apart in 2 years' time, I guess. Same for, like, do you see that? Like exhaust pipe, and just saying, when you're buying these this year, just be careful because they have big tendency to be rusty, like super rusty. The rabbit's over. Last two parts, especially gas tank. And amazing long fender. I love the rev on long fenders. It's just amazing. I don't know why on rallies they're using the short fender. Doesn't make sense. Anyway, so I'll take it on the sun and you can evaluate like how it looks. Give me a second. And the reason for me taking on the sun is because I like to let the bike and the wrap cook inside of the bike on natural sun if it is possible. So let's go there. So you tell me what you think. Much better. For me, a little bit too much of orange, a little bit. I would put there something black, but the gentleman, the customer, the guest, the Robert, he didn't want to have a wrap on his wheels. It's all right. Don't forget one thing. For me, it's too sharp, too much of like ski-doos, so jet skis on snowmobiles, I'm sorry, or kind of a motocross. Yeah, but he loves motocross, so I think the whole wrap is like that. We have some branding over here, very important. Now we have still plenty of things to do, and as I told you, it's a beautiful sunny day, so I will let the wrap cook inside of the bike naturally on the sun. That's the best thing what you can do. We will do now steering damper. I will put foam grips here because this is just terrible, and I'm gonna have one surprise for Robert because he really likes riding, so we're gonna spice up this Ryker. Just for the record, I'm always wearing a helmet, okay? Only when I'm doing these quick tests, I'm not. So for those that don't know what the steering damper about is, it removes completely the vibrations from your handlebars. Plus, when you're going, the best example is going around the corners and there is a bump or whatever, then your bike has a tendency to do, or especially Rykers, they have tendency to do it like this. And then he steps in, it's shaky. Dampener removes all of this. So basically, when there is a pothole in the corner, you just turn, you go through the pothole, you will see bump, but your hands are always in the same position. They will not do this, okay? Now, I need to fix this because it's just terrible, and then on to our present. So Robert is here. That's his new bike, and I told you I have a present for him, and he don't know. He still don't know. Like, do you like it?
It's perfect, really. I'm at the shock.
It's really like, you like motocross? It looks
mine.
like, it looks like.
This is really mine.
Yeah, that's yours. That's yours. And it really looks like motocross. Like,
Yeah.
Somebody even asked me like if you own KTM at home or what kind of bike you have.
Kawasaki.
You have Kawasaki.
But I like these colors.
Yeah, it's typical KTM colors. Robert, you have the steering dampener in there, but I want you to go for a test ride.
Okay.
Because I have one surprise for you.
Surprise.
Yeah. So.
Second surprise, because you gave me a lot surprise.
Yeah, we also gave you the seat for free because it's a stock seat, so you can fix it at home. But you have a steering dampener. I have one surprise, so I will wait you at the end, and then we will do something.
Okay.
We're gonna test the pedal box, but he don't know about it, so I'm gonna wait him right over there, and let's see what he's gonna say. He likes motocross. He is skilled rider, so sport plus +3. He don't know what's happening. He don't know what's happening. Look at him. He's lost. Look at him. Is it fast? Is it
It's different. Acceleration is different.
It's faster, right?
Faster. Different. When I start, I see this. It's something.
Just give me a second, okay?
Wow.
I'm sorry.
But I see this. In one moment, this is impossible.
Okay.
The reaction.
Yeah.
What you do with the acceleration?
Yeah.
You change the map?
No, not the map. It's called PedalBox. This episode is over. It's super windy. Hopefully you can hear me. Robert called me unprepared a little because he showed up like 3 hours earlier. I still wanted to do some finishes. This is done rubber, and I never throw out a few parts, so we're doing it as a Ryker and Spyder lover to a Ryker Spyder lover. We are of course not charging anything. We gave him free seat at the back because it's a stock seat and it's rubbish anyway. Hopefully one day he will change for something better. We needed to change some plastics because they've been damaged. We put pedal box, we put damper, the stabilizer, and the bike. When I saw how Robert is riding it, I know why it is chewed, I know why it is used, but you know what? I saw a smile on his face, and that's what he likes. So be it. I mean, it's his bike, he can do whatever. Stay tuned because definitely we will meet Robert at Grossglockner, so the largest European event we will attend next week. So stay tuned on that. And now guys, remember, do whatever with your bike, whatever makes you happy, and always have fun.